over here.
You can?
Yeah. I can see my witch. I can see my witch standing right there.
Right where?
Right there.
Next to me.
Yeah. And I see her horn. I see my witch invisible and my lizard invisible. Even I have powers.
What kind of powers?
I have saving powers.
Saving powers? What do they do?
And I throw big stuff on the scooter.
Yep. Why do you throw big stuff on Scooter? Because why?
Because,
But we love our Scooter.
Mom, I have to walk like a normal person.
Okay.
Mom,
What?
we don't have to put our feet up.
We what?
We don't have to put our feet up. We just can put our legs to kick.
Oh. Okay.
I put my feet up to kick Phoenix.
Well, we don't kick people.
But Phoenix starts being mean. What? Like Phoenix hits me.
Hey, no. No. You can have cereal.